This request probably more than any other request. So today we are making nuclear fried chicken. Got a big old bowl. Just gonna put some of the Buldak extra spicy in there. You know, it's crazy. I actually really like this sauce on everything. Not just noodles and chicken, but like beef, cornbread, vegetables, pretty much everything. I just drizzle this on top and it's like so delicious. Put just a little bit more in there. Might as well just use the rest of the bottle. Gonna stir it up. Get it all coated in the sauce like extra good. That looks so delicious. It's probably gonna be really spicy. Toss them around like this. How they do it in the movies. Oh, wow. And there you have it. Nuclear fried chicken. Mmm. Mmm. Wow. I did not think that fried chicken could get any better. That's delicious. I might have put a little bit too much sauce, but never enough sauce for the Spice King. It kind of took some of the crunch away, which I'm disappointed about, but ultimately, flavor, 10 out of 10. Last one. Rub it off in that sauce. Oh, goodness gracious. It's so good, I'm kind of sad that it's over. That was delicious. And you know your boy is always hungry.